As a homeowner, one of the first problems you might encounter is a leaking faucet. It seems like this always happens at the most inopportune time, too. Fortunately, fixing a leaky faucet is not expensive, and there are a few things you can do to keep it from happening in the future. Let's take a look. Now, if your faucet is leaking from the spout, you will need to disassemble the handle and spout. Turn the water supply off and turn on the faucet to drain any water that is in the line. Then remove the faucet handle. The securing screw for the handle is either on the side of the handle or under a decorative cap on the top. Remove the nut that secures the cartridge to the faucet and lift the cartridge out of the faucet body. Replace the cartridge and reassemble the faucet. There's nothing more annoying than a dripping faucet, especially late at night when you're trying to sleep. Fixing this problem may require some troubleshooting, but it's generally very easy to determine the source of the leak. With the tips you've just learned, you will have your faucet working as good as new in no time. Thanks for watching.